DJI's upcoming product, the DJI Neo, has everyone buzzing with excitement. With the release date fast approaching and a major leak from insider Jasper Ellens, the anticipation is high. Unlike other drones, the DJI Neo promises to offer more than just the basics. It's designed for both beginners and those seeking a portable yet powerful drone for capturing high-quality photos and videos on the go. This isn't just another compact drone. DJI is set to redefine the market. Let's dive into what we know so far about this exciting new release. A major leak from Jasper Ellens has unveiled key details about DJI's upcoming Neo, thanks to screenshots from an Australian store. The DJI Neo is set to offer 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, supported by a half-inch sensor and a single-axis gimbal for sharp, stable footage. With 22 gigabytes of internal storage, users can capture plenty of content without immediate file transfers. One of its standout features is its ability to take off and land directly from the palm of your hand, making it extremely user-friendly. The Neo will include quick-shot modes, voice control, and the option for remoteless flight using just your phone. It's expected to be compatible with the upcoming RC N3 controller, and for FPV enthusiasts, it supports manual flight with FPV and Motion 3 controllers and goggles. Advanced AI tracking and level 4 wind resistance ensure smooth footage in challenging conditions. Additionally, the Neo will work with DJI Mic 2 for clear, rotor-free audio recording. With an 18-minute flight time, enough for 20 short flights, and an expected price of $299 Australian dollars for the standard bundle, the Neo is a strong contender in the compact drone market. DJI seems determined to challenge HoverAir's dominance in the drones category. While HoverAir's X1 Pro and Pro Max offer impressive 8K 30 frames per second and 4K 120 frames per second video capabilities, the DJI Neo is set to distinguish itself in other critical areas. Two standout features of the DJI Neo reveal a shift in how DJI approaches the needs of its users. The 22 gigabytes of internal storage and DJI Mic 2 compatibility through the Fly app. Traditionally, internal storage in drones is an afterthought, often serving as a backup when SD cards fail. Models like the Mavic 3 Pro and Air 3 only offer 8 gigabytes, a fraction of what's needed for serious content creation, while the Mini 4 Pro's 2 gigabytes is practically irrelevant. The Neo, however, seems to redefine this approach by relying entirely on its 22 gigabytes internal storage, which could hint at DJI's future direction. Perhaps larger SSDs becoming the norm in upcoming models. The DJI Mic 2 compatibility is another significant feature that suggests a targeted shift towards content creators, particularly those who prioritize simplicity and efficiency. The ability to sync audio directly through the Fly app eliminates the need for post-production syncing, making it an ideal tool for vloggers and casual creators who want polished results without the hassle. This feature is particularly relevant in today's social media-driven landscape, where speed and ease of use are paramount. Historically, DJI's Mini lineup has catered to this audience, but as those drones have evolved, they've also become more expensive and complex. The Neo appears to address this gap by offering a more accessible option with high-end features tailored to those who prioritize quick, high-quality content capture. Interestingly, the Neo's release strategy could also reflect broader market considerations. DJI's silence on social media suggests the possibility of a region-specific launch, likely starting in China. Given the rising popularity of competitors like HoverAir X1 in China and the challenges Chinese manufacturers face in Western markets, an initial China-only release could be a strategic move for DJI. This approach would align with DJI's past behavior, such as the staggered global rollouts of products like the Flycart and agricultural drones. Thanks for tuning in to our deep dive into the DJI Neo. If you're as excited as we are about this upcoming release, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest drone news and reviews. We'll be following the DJI Neo closely, so you won't want to miss any new developments. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. What feature are you most excited about? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, keep flying, and capturing those epic moments.